Stay live and free on 7 Mate.
Good evening, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. The next 2 days will see a return to light showers for much of eastern Queensland, with very modest daily rainfalls, typically less than 10 millimetres, though maybe the odd heavier storm on the southern downs. Warmer nights will accompany the thickening cloud. Today's temp range in Rockhampton was 9 to 23 degrees and humidity is up, as you can see. That's closer to average than yesterday, when our morning was a fair bit cooler. Looking at the satellite loop now, again there are two areas of cloud and they haven't merged yet. The coastal area, which is just starting to come ashore, it's been pretty slow, I have to admit. It's mostly around Fraser Island and the far north tropical coast that have had the showers running onto land. For the rest of Queensland, it's still mostly offshore. Meanwhile, cloud is thickening from the west as a new upper level trough develops. It's only weak at the moment. It will amplify progressively over the next 2 days as it sweeps across Queensland, eventually bringing some light rain, especially to the south, but even to tropical eastern districts. On today's chart, the high has been stagnant for a couple of days now. It should have moved a bit further east by now, but it hasn't. So there it is, again over central New South Wales, Victoria. It's continuing to bring a southerly air mass into Queensland, which by and large is very cool, and we're still getting frost on the granite belt and right through the downs, even the central highlands. Tomorrow's chart, high moves east, more onshore flow, trough coming in from the west. Outlook chart, this is where the rain peaks when the upper level trough comes into alignment with the surface feature over eastern Queensland. Now, the latest from the Weather Bureau, the boating forecast for Capricornia waters, east to northeast winds 10 to 15 knots tomorrow, going northeast to northwesterly on Friday, a little bit fresher, and then on Saturday a west-southwesterly change up to 20 knots. Tomorrow brings us just 2 days away from new moon, so expect a big tidal swing over the next few days. Our first high tides in the morning with a much beefier one at night. The Capricornia district forecast, a slight chance of showers in the south only tomorrow. Gladstone will reach 22 degrees. Rockhampton ranging 13 up to 24. Billawheeler 9 to 22. Yeppoon also 22. Central Highlands and Coalfields, some late showers in the southwest. Emerald 11 to 24 degrees. Same range for Claremont and Moranbah 25. Looking ahead for Rockhampton, Friday's the wettest day though, just a millimetre or two of rain. And it's also the warmest morning. A cool, dry change later Saturday will bring nighttime temperatures right back down again. Well, that's all, folks. If you're new to 7 Local Weather and confused about the charts and stuff, I'll try every so often to recycle some old educational snippets and throw in some new ones as well. Over time, you'll hopefully pick up the tools of the trade. Now it's back to the team.
Yeah, wonderful, Liv. Good on you, mate. Thanks for your company, folks, and we'll look forward to seeing you tomorrow night.
And just a reminder, you can watch a replay of 7 News on the 7 Plus app and catch up on our page on 7news.com.au. From all of us, good night.
Good night.
Tonight on 7 News, breaking COVID news. 10 Queensland hospital workers in quarantine